intro to the video now. Good job.
This has been on here since 1896, probably.
Yeah. Well, guys, after about 2 days, what do you think? 2 days storm? 2 days work? About 2 days work, we finally made it to the bottom of this endless pit. And the last 2 inches is just straight up sludge. Like, what we're thinking about is shooting some degreaser in this bottle down there, putting some water, mixing it up, and then sucking it up with that vac. Once we get all this nastiness out and degreased, it shouldn't stink so much. I mean, it literally smells like sewer in here. This has to get done, and we have to start prepping this floor because we're actually going to be doing a polyaspartic marble type floor in this entire shop area, and it's going to look excellent. So we definitely don't need the dang sewage smell in here. That would be terrible. So one step at a time, but man, I wish videos could show, or I wish you could smell video. You guys would probably throw up right now. It smells so bad in here. Poor Storm.
It's terrible, man.
Storm is just sucking wind right now. Man, Storm picked a bad week to start back at Sunday. That was a bad idea, man.
Hey man, it's all part of the job.
He's not doing this the whole time, by the way. I have him come in here for a couple hours a day normally at the end of the day, so he doesn't have to smell this thing all day. And then he's working in the shop. The shop is just busy as all heck, like 24/7. If you guys, I'll show you what we're working on right now. Boom. This truck right here is giant. We're ceramic coating this one. Windshield tint on the Genesis right now. Full frontal paint protection film on the Genesis. We got the Platinum Reserve Titan in here, getting a Ceramic Pro Gold package. Interior coatings, window tint, paint protection film, all the above. Most of all these. And then we have another customer showing up tomorrow. So the full team is getting after it and doing an excellent job. So, and we got the electricians in here continuing to wire some lights. So everything's going really good. But we definitely have to get this drain cleaned out. So we're up front of the shop now, and we are tinting with 5% Kavacha carbon this flat glass up here in front of the shop, and it looks amazing. It looks really, really good. It looks so much better than that. I'll show you guys the outside, what it looks like. See how much better the tint looks rather than that, so that we don't have people staring into the shop or the lobby and seeing exactly what we have going on. It gives us a little privacy, our equipment a little privacy, and our customers, they don't have to have the sun glaring in their eyes as they're potentially waiting on their vehicle. We don't want that. So we got Hunter right here tinting these glass. We have a lot of glass ahead of us. So as you can tell, this whole front side of this building is glass. So we are on our second panel out of probably, if I had to guess, maybe 100 panels. What do you think, Hunter? About 100 panels we got to tint? This is the second one.
Those bay doors, yeah.
Yeah, it's about 100. And this is our second window, but technically it's our first because we got to redo this window because Hunter did this one at night just to kind of see what it would look like, and there's some contamination in it. So we're redoing that window. Technically this is our first one, but it's going to look so much better in here. It already looks better in here. How much darker it is. Not the glare in our freaking eyes. How's it looking?
Don't get too close.
Don't get too close.
Might have this video a little bit.
Just like our customer cars, don't get too close.
20 footers.
Yep. last window of the day. Then we got to do a couple customer cars. It's been a long day. Got customers in and out all day long. And it's been a busy one. What do you think, Hunter?
Definitely a busy one.
Every day seems to be getting busier and busier and busier here. We got a million windows to tint.
We're getting it done then.
Yeah, slowly but surely, getting it done. Let's go look at what it looks like outside now. Oh, it's gonna look so much better, guys. Look at that. That already looks so much better. So much more professional to have the front glass tinted. The signage is almost done, where we can change all the logos outside, and it's gonna look so much better now. Looks so good. Very excited about that. Alrighty, so it's day 2 of tinting the windows. We got the lobby done, which looks excellent now. Check that out. But now we're on to the big bay doors. And first we need to pressure wash these things. It's gonna look so much better though. You can see the bottom row we've already done. But look at how dirty inside and out. Every single window looks kind of like this. We obviously prepped these before we tinted them, so those aren't dirty, but the rest of them, even this door here that we're gonna tint, is just dirty inside and out. The whole way down is like that. So we're gonna change that today. We're gonna start pressure washing them. Brought my at-home pressure washer. This thing has been beat to hell and back, but we're gonna be using it. I got a new sprayer for it because the last one broke. Tons of concentrated Windex to start at least cleaning them. I got some squeegees, some new squeegees. We have just some spray-away glass cleaner for touch-ups. And then concentrated Windex that we're going to be putting in my sprayers. And then we've got this concentrated Zepp House and Siding pressure wash that we're going to be putting in this foam cannon. This like kind of cheap foam cannon that comes with the kit. We're going to just be putting it in this and spraying it on the windows to kind of help us clean it. So day 2, here we go. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. Subscribe if you're new. Make sure you're hitting the like button down below, and let's jump right into cleaning these freaking windows. So we've got a volunteer to get down to the pit and finish
Same.
cleaning the pit up.
He showed up late today. This is what happens when you show up late to work.
Yeah. For the record, I didn't tell him he had to get in there. I did not tell him he had to get in there. He said he's down to do it, so. We got trash bags around his boots and his jeans.
Yes, sir. Ready.
Yep. Me and Hunter are still cleaning the windows. Richie and Nick are over here doing PPF, trying to stay quiet so they don't have to end up in that pit.
What pit?
Lines are probably cooking as all hell. No telling. You're gonna come up a Ninja Turtle, man.
I'm gonna come up with something.
You
I used to buy a Master Splinter down there.
Hey, you want to put those gloves on?
Oh yeah, they're
on
on
the
the
table.
table.
Storm, can you hear me, Storm?
Yeah.
Storm, are you alive down there?
I don't know. Ask me in a few minutes.
So it's too small down there to use a shovel, so he's using the dustpan. And dude, it smells like absolute death. Dude, you want me to get you a mask?
It would help.
All right. Tow truck's here to pick up this truck, so it'll be cleared out by the end of the day. So the recycling center officially hates us. The recycling center hates us for sure. But they've been great, man. So we've got the majority of the sludge out. Really all of the sludge out. The last little bit is just going to be dirty water. We're degreasing the sides. We already degreased the side with a sprayer. Now we're spraying the sides off. Trying to get the last little bit of sludge that's left in there out of there. But everything's looking good. The drains on the floor that lead to that pit are completely clogged. The ones over here are too. So we are gonna have to figure something out on that end. Every single one of them is pulled up, so. What we're probably gonna have to do is rent a snake from Home Depot, the rental section, and freaking just snake him out like we did the other drain in the main shop or the back shop area. We got Hunter here. He's been great today. Cleaning these windows. We're trying to get these windows knocked out front and back so we can tint them. We're gonna let them dry overnight, tint them tomorrow. What do you think, Hunter?
I have no earthly idea what I'm doing.
None.
Pretty much a YouTube channel.
Yeah, that's right. You think it's making a big difference or just a little difference?
I think right now we're just getting like the spider webs and like that sort of stuff off, but we definitely need to go back through and hit some of them with like razor blades. It was like overspray from like blue paint from when they painted this and stuff, so
Yeah,
we definitely need to go back over it a couple more times before we tint it, but we'll get it clean.
It's just the initial clean, but it's helping a lot. The last door we gotta do. got one window tinted today. Did we tint any other windows today? I can't even remember. Just the vehicle.
Yeah, just the windshield. As you can tell, nothing else.
Yeah, we cleaned all day, but we did get one window done today.
And we still need to do some more cleaning too.
We do need to do more cleaning, but hey, progress is progress. We made a lot of progress today. We're gonna clean up that seal right there tomorrow and tint the door. But the glass is looking a lot better now. I mean, looks a ton better than it did this morning. You guys can see down there. Ton better. So here, I know it's dark out, but here is kind of what it's looking like now compared to this morning. I know it's dark, guys, but man, it's gonna look so much better when the windows are fully tinted. I mean, look at how that looks. Look at the lobby. The lobby looks fantastic. So much better now with the tint. And then once we shut off the lights at night, people won't really be able to tell what's inside. I mean, I guess if they grabbed a flashlight, they could, but somebody walking down the street or driving by wouldn't be able to tell what we had in here, and that's the goal. So we're gonna end out day 2 here, and may end out this video here. I think there's a ton of footage I need to edit, so we may end out this footage here. Stay tuned to the shop build, guys. We are rebuilding this old giant NAPA store or NAPA shop to my dream detailing studio shop. So stay tuned if you guys are interested in the shop build, and we have a lot more progress to make. Tons more to do outside, tons more to do inside, so stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.